Some foods look harmless. Some have been called perfect for decades. For many older adults, those foods are eaten every morning with complete confidence. Yet, strength keeps fading. Legs lose power. Walking becomes slower. Balance becomes shaky. Yet, research from large groups of older adults has shown a different story. After 70, eggs deliver less usable protein than people assume, and their risks increase at the same time. Older immune systems are not as strong as they were 20 or 30.
They are not a miracle. They are biomechanics and biology working as nature intended. Let us begin with the most overlooked nut in the group, a nut that sits in bowls during holidays and is forgotten the rest of the year. Number 5.
The quiet builder. Almond strength. Almonds are known for being healthy, but very few people over 70 understand why they can be so effective for muscle repair. The reason begins with protein, but it does not end there. Almonds contain more protein per ounce than any other tree nut, and they deliver a unique combination of nutrients that aging muscle desperately needs. Inside every almond is a high concentration of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. After the age of 70, this protection becomes essential. The cell membranes that surround each muscle fiber become thinner and more fragile. When those membranes weaken, nutrients cannot enter efficiently, and strength fades even when the diet looks healthy.
Vitamin E supports membrane integrity, keeps those borders strong, and allows amino acids to reach the tissues where repair must happen. Almonds also provide riboflavin and manganese, nutrients involved in energy metabolism. They help convert food into usable energy and support muscle function during daily movement. Many older adults notice that they tire quickly, even when they sleep well. Energy metabolism is often the missing piece. Almonds help close that gap. For people with sensitive teeth or dentures, chewing whole almonds may be uncomfortable. There are simple solutions. Sliced almonds or soaked almonds provide the same benefits without extra effort. Adding a handful to oatmeal or yogurt in the morning delivers slow, steady protein that lasts for hours. Eating a small serving before a walk or exercise session provides fuel without heaviness. Small amounts taken consistently are more effective than large servings taken occasionally.
This nut builds a foundation, but the next one adds something equally important. Survival of the tissue you already have. Number 4. The muscle protector. Pistachio renewal. One of the most frustrating parts of aging is that muscle can disappear faster than it can be rebuilt. The body continues breaking down muscle tissue even when activity levels remain the same. This process accelerates after survival. Protein synthesis slows while protein breakdown increases. tissue that already exists. For older adults, this is critical.
Maintaining current muscle is often more important than gaining new muscle. Pistachios also provide significant protein and excellent amino acid balance. Each shell contains nutrients that support muscle contraction, endurance, and recovery. The green and purple colors inside the nut are not decoration. They represent powerful antioxidant activity that protects cells from oxidative stress. As oxidative damage decreases, muscle performance improves. Pistachios
When the body receives slow protein through the night, repair continues while sleep restores the brain. Many older adults find they wake up with less stiffness and greater comfort simply by adding this food to their evening routine. The next nut deepens the system even further by focusing on the organ that controls every movement. Number 3, the Neurofuel Walnut Command. Strength does not come only from the muscle, it comes from the brain. Every step, every action, every stabilizing movement begins with electrical commands sent from the nervous system. If these signals are delayed, the directed movement, balance, and strength collapse. This is why some older adults feel their legs are stronger, and physical progress is better.
The brain and muscle share the same problem, oxidative stress. When inflammation increases in the brain, movement becomes less coordinated. When inflammation increases in the muscle, tissue becomes stiff, sore, and weak. Walnuts reduce both.
Another powerful benefit comes from polyphenols, natural compounds inside the walnut structure. These polyphenols are converted in the gut into metabolites that support mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the energy factories inside your cell.
Low magnesium causes cramps, poor recovery, and delayed strength. Many older adults are deficient. When magnesium rises, muscles respond better to exercise, pain decreases, and stamina improves. The combination of leucine and magnesium creates a foundation where repair and function meet. Cashew butter or blended cashews in smoothies offer simple solutions. A handful with citrus fruit enhances mineral absorption. Once again, timing matters. Mornings are excellent for cashew intake because the leucine signal helps initiate muscle repair for the day. As activity increases, the body continues using that signal to maintain function. Only one nut remains. It is the most powerful. It does not simply support muscle repair. It activates systems that control metabolism, energy, and daily strength. Number 1. The strength signal. Brazil support. Brazil nuts look unremarkable, yet their mineral content stands alone. They contain the highest natural levels of selenium and amino. Selenium is a trace mineral with enormous influence. It affects metabolic rate, thyroid function, immune defense, and muscle integrity. After 70, selenium often declines, and its absence is rarely noticed until weakness appears. The thyroid gland regulates energy. When thyroid performance slows, everything slows. Strength fades, recovery lengthens. People assume this is aging, when in fact it is mineral deficiency. By restoring selenium levels, thyroid hormones regain balance. The entire metabolic system becomes more efficient. It is not a stimulant, it is restoration. Selenium also supports specialized proteins inside muscle tissue. These proteins protect cells from oxidative damage and maintain structural integrity. When selenium is adequate, the muscle fibers themselves function more efficiently. Older adults notice fewer tremors, stronger grip, more stable walking, and better endurance. The key is moderation. 2 or 3 Brazil nuts a day are sufficient.
More is not better. Stored properly, they remain fresh and their benefits accumulate over time. Evening consumption aligns with hormonal rhythms and supports repair during sleep. This one habit can influence strength in ways that feel surprising, because the change happens from within. The larger truth. Each nut offers a different benefit. Almonds protect cell membranes and deliver protein. Pistachios reduce breakdown and support balance. Walnuts enhance neural signaling and energy. Cashews trigger repair and reduce deficiency. Brazil nuts activate metabolic strength. None of these foods are complicated. No special recipes are required. The power lies in consistency. Small servings taken daily create measurable change. When older adults add one of these nuts to their routine, especially in the morning or evening, they often notice improvements within weeks. They walk more easily. They recover faster. They feel more confident.
Strength after 70 is not about building huge muscles. It is about preserving function, stability, and independence. These foods support that goal. They are gentle, they are natural, they fit into a normal life with no strain, no expensive supplements, and no complicated plans. If you choose to begin, start with 1. Do not change everything overnight. 2 Brazil nuts, a handful of almonds, or a spoon of cashew butter can be a beginning. At this age, small habits build remarkable results. Your body still wants to repair itself. It only needs the right materials to do the job. Strength is not a memory, it is a possibility. Stay consistent, stay curious, and protect your independence every single day.